Hello everybody, welcome back to our economics channels. Today we think about the monetarist and Keynesian model in details, and we talk about the assumption implication of it. And actually, the two models have different assumption and implication. In previous video, we focused on the graph, right? Actually, the AS curve is just a graphical illustration of the model, okay? And this model is derived from its assumption. Actually, what are their assumptions? Extremely different assumption. There are different assumptions. In the monetarist point of view, real output is assumed to go back to the potential output by itself, okay? So any changes in average price level does not change in the real output in the long run. Okay? But in Keynesian model, they said the real output won't go back, okay? And the potential output by itself if it is in an economic downturn, okay? So different idea. Monetarist point of view, perfect. We'll move it by itself. We don't need to do anything for the creative. And for the Keynesian model, won't. If in the recession, economic downturn, it won't go back. It helps. Okay. So what's the implication? Okay? So in the monetarist point of view, okay, demand side government intervention has no use in the long run. It will go back by itself. Okay. So government should use the supply side policy to increase the potential output instead. But Keynesian model said that no. Demand side policy is important and effective. Okay. Why? Because the economy won't go back when during recession, okay? So we need the government intervention, extra government spending, okay, to pull the economy out from the recession. Different idea. So from this idea, different idea, they make the different curve, okay? So they have a different aggregate supply curve. Okay? They agree with each other. Actually, Keynesian come from the monetarist one. Okay? It is improvement, big adjustment for the low output level for the monetarist curve. Okay, so for economic production close to the potential, the monetarist areas and Keynesian areas are similar vertical. Okay, they agree with each other. Always perfectly in yes because full employment impossible to increase. A little bit increase in the output will have a big increase in the wage, and then the price level will rise quickly. So it's perfectly inelastic. They agree with it. Okay. And then Keynesian has a little bit improvement, but the economy production is far below the potential. The monetary areas is still vertical. Wow. Yeah, always vertical until to the end, okay, to the bottom. But the Keynesian said no. When this is far below the potential, okay, there should be a lot of unemployed, and also there are lots of resources available, so easy to increase the output level without changing the price level. So they said it should be horizontal, perfectly elastic. So they make it extreme, okay? Model is extreme, okay? In the real world, should be intermediate, maybe inclined line, right? So monetarism model predicts a change in aggregate demand will result in a change in price level only, but not output level. But Keynesian saying the opposite, okay, change in aggregate demand will result in changes output level without changing the general price level. So it is one is perfectly inelastic, monetary. One is perfectly elastic when the output is far below the potential. So it can be tested, right? Sometimes Keynesian win, sometimes monetary win. Moving back to potential output after recession, okay, the real world phenomena are complicated. The model tried to simplify them, so make it vertical and horizontal line, right? And suggest some explanation or suggestion for government intervention. Okay, when we are in position A, okay, in recession, okay, the AD is lower than normal, okay. Y1 is less than Y, so we have a deflationary gap, okay. So the price level will drop, rates will drop, so the factor of protection will be less expensive. So aggregate supply increase, so SRAS increase from original one to SRAS 1, and the economy move from A to B to resume the long one aggregate supply, the long one output level. Okay. This is the explanation. Both sides agree with it. And during the recession in 1990s, 2001, 2009, the unemployment rate is high. Okay? And the theory is right, yeah, easy to get employment, right? And then when the employment rate fall back to full employment rate of about 4%, the output recovered to the full employment level quickly after. So the problem is, will GDP growth if we increase 80? Depends on the model, right? Depends on where you are to, okay? If initially you are below the potential output, you're at A. You increase 80 from 81 to 82, yes, the output increased to Y2. And that's no problem because Y2 is still lower than the potential output, okay? No autonomous adjustment pull you back, okay? But if you are at the potential output already, okay? You increase 80, oh, too hot, too hot. The economy is too hot. There is an inflationary gap, okay? And the inflationary will move up the wage, and then the SRAS will drops and pull you back to C, okay? So you need to, the government need to understand where is the economy, too hot or too cold. If too cold, they should increase the government spending, okay? Do the demand side policy, okay? For UK in the late 1980s, due to demand side factors, rise in consumer confidence and cut in interest rate and income rates, okay? Aggregate demand rises, okay? Does the GDP go? Yes. The increase in aggregate demand makes UK a strong economy go higher than 4%. So it is a test that at this moment, the output level of UK is below, far below its potential output. You don't know where is the potential output actually, okay? You just guess, okay? And this fact, okay, this phenomenon shows you that at that point should be lower. But actually you don't know it, okay? Until you see the phenomenon. Okay, discuss in what situation will and will not the real output increase when the aggregate demand increases. It's quite tricky, be careful, okay? You might miss one or two situations. Pause the video, think about it. Welcome back. Actually, there are 3 scenarios, okay? 3 situations. Have you done it? Short one always increase, okay? Long one, if it is below initially, it will increase, okay? But in the long run, if initially is on the potential level already, it will pull you back by the autonomous adjustment due to the inflationary gap, remember? And then the wage will increase and the SRAS will decrease and pull you back to the long run AS, okay? Miss anyone? So be careful when you answer the economic question, okay? More situation might need to discuss because it is that what situation? It means all situation you have to talk about, okay? So you need to think about it, okay? Maybe you open the YouTube, look at the news every day, economic news, okay, and then think about, okay, how to apply your knowledge to it. The Keynesian model, the monetarist model, okay? What's this assumption? What's the implication or whatever? Today, this video is short, but it's a good summary, okay? About what we have learned, the assumption and the implication. You can even think about, can you change the assumption? Maybe you can think about another kind of AS graph, right? Not just Keynesian, not just monetarist. Maybe it's yours AS graph, okay? And it will be a quick discovery for you too. Okay, see you for next video for next section, okay? If you like our channel, remember subscribe, like, and share with your friends, okay? We need your support. Thank you. Bye.